You spend money on face wash, serum, sunscreen, but still skin dull? Hair weak? Maybe the problem is simple. You are feeding your skin from outside, not inside. Look carefully. Your skin is not plastic. It is a living organ. Every new skin cell is made from what you eat today. So cream works only on surface. Food works at the root. Dermatology also says glowing skin depends on nutrition, hydration, and antioxidants in diet, not just products. Imagine a plant you polish the leaves daily but never water the roots. Will it shine? Same with face. Moisturizer equals polishing. Food equals watering. Most people polish daily, but never water. Scene 3, what to eat as skincare. 1 for glow, vitamin plus antioxidants. Eat colorful foods. Carrot, beetroot, berries, spinach. They protect skin from damage and aging because antioxidants fight skin aging oxidation. 2. For moisture, healthy fats. Nuts, seeds, coconut, ghee, avocado. These keep skin soft and elastic. Dry skin is often fat deficiency, not cream deficiency. 3 for hair growth, protein. Eggs, dal, paneer, sprouts. Hair is protein. No protein leads to no strong hair. Oil cannot fix protein deficiency. 4 for clear skin, gut health. Curd, fiber, fruits, water. Healthy gut equals clear face. Bad gut equals acne. Your face is a mirror of digestion. People ask, which face wash removes pimples? Wrong question. Better question. Which food created pimples? Sugar, junk food, dehydration leads to inflammation, leads to acne. Balanced diet leads to natural glow. Simple daily routine. Morning, warm water plus fruit. Lunch, dal plus sabzi plus roti plus salad. Evening, nuts or seeds. Night, light dinner. Do this 30 days. Your mirror will give review, not me. Don't try to repair skin from outside daily. Build it from inside once, because cosmetics decorate your face, food creates your face,